The F6E8 error code on a Whirlpool microwave indicates a problem with the connections associated with the appliance manager or a fault in the appliance manager itself. Common causes of this error include a faulty control unit, wiring issues, or a malfunctioning heater. To resolve the issue, start by resetting the power for 1 minute by switching off the circuit breaker. Then turn it back on and monitor the microwave's functions for a minute to see if the error code is fixed. If the error persists, replacing the microwave appliance control may be necessary. Additionally, inspect the wiring for any shorts or damage and replace faulty wires, rerouting them to prevent future issues. It's also essential to check the heater for any problems and replace it with a new one if necessary. By following these steps, the F6E8 error code should be resolved, and the microwave should function properly again.